Come test drive the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power lift gate, tow hitch, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.